Hey everyone! Did you know that the eyes are often considered the windows to the soul? They can convey so much emotion, and getting them right in your drawings is super important. Have you ever struggled to make your eyes look realistic? Well, today's your lucky day. Introduction. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a drawing tutorial where I'll guide you through 5 easy steps to create realistic eyes. Mastering eye drawing is a game changer for your art, so let's make it happen. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about some common challenges artists face when trying to draw eyes. First up, there's proportion. Getting the size and shape just right can feel like a puzzle. Then, there are reflections. Those little highlights can make your eyes pop, but knowing where to put them is tricky. And don't get me started on shading. It's all about adding depth and dimension, but it can be super intimidating. These challenges can be frustrating, which is why this tutorial is so necessary. We're going to tackle these issues head-on. Exploration/development. Alright, let's break down those 5 easy steps. Step 1 is sketching the eye shape. Start with an almond shape, it's more forgiving than you think. Next, we'll add the iris and pupil. Remember, the iris should take up about 2/3 of the eye's height. For step 3, let's get into detailing. This is where you'll add eyelashes and the eyelid crease. Make those lashes flick outwards for a natural look. Step 4 is all about reflections. Study a reference photo and place those highlights where the light hits. Finally, in step 5, we'll apply shading. Use a blending tool or your finger to create smooth transitions for that depth we talked about. Trust me, these steps will transform your eye drawing. Climax/key moment. Now, here comes the exciting part. Watch as this eye drawing comes to life. Check out this side-by-side comparison. On the left, we have a basic eye sketch, and on the right, the finished product after applying all our techniques. Look at how much more alive and dimensional it looks. This is the moment where all your hard work pays off, and you can really see the difference. Conclusion/summary. So, let's recap those 5 steps we covered today. Step 1 was sketching the eye shape. Step 2 was adding the iris and pupil. Step 3 focused on detailing with eyelashes. Step 4 was about reflections. And Step 5 covered shading for depth. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in creating realistic eyes. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try these techniques. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below sharing your experiences with drawing eyes. What challenges have you faced? And don't forget to check out my other tutorials for more drawing tips and tricks. Let's keep improving together. Thanks for watching, and happy drawing!